Someone could accept the fact that his calculations
Starting off
for
with
the
the banter.
transwarp field
Okay.
sequencers are wrong.
You think that I cannot isolate a transwarp frequency barrier?
I'm just
Why
saying,
isn't
you
Bulkhead
don't
just
have
doing
the
it?
same
The
experience
nigga made it
as
right the first
I have
time.
done it before.
What the hell, man?
Sorry. How did you know what to do?
I don't know.
She
I
is
just
one
kinda
with the all spark.
did.
Something even your limited circuits should be able to compute.
Nigga
Where
took
are the
them all out the
Decepticon cells
cages,
to detect
bro.
the space bridges? I want names. I want locations.
Awfully bold.
Greetings, Sentinel Prime. We are contacting you because the Council has decided to break the news of the attack on
Yeah, I really don't like this
all
nigga.
Cybertron.
Bad
I don't know
idea,
who the fuck he is,
Perceptor.
but
Just,
that
keep it quiet till I
fucking
get back
Stephen
there and
Hawking
take control.
voice shit is
These are
annoying as hell.
decisions that-
And the next time you fail to address me as Sir or Commander, you will find yourself in the brig with the Decepticons. Is that clear?
Nah, nigga, you wildin' for talking to Jazz like that. What the fuck? A damn black hole. Yeah, you niggas are finished. Done brought this nigga back to life. Oh, that's not good.
Naturally, everything comes with a million solar cycle.
Imagine if these niggas were like
including battle damage, of course.
actually like imagine if they were actually built big enough to be able to fight niggas, bro, on some Bayverse shit. If they just jumped Sentinel Prime in this fucking ship and it was actually a good fight, that would have went crazy. But of course, these niggas would just get one shot by each of them, bro.
Play with your sparks. There's more. It also has a stasis suspension ray, handy for those
Fucking
tight
Pokeball.
spots. Pick this baby up on Quintessa. Nice folks, the Quintessons.
And now your pathetic sparks should be extinguished once and for all.
Nigga, if he does that in the ship, don't they all get sucked out?
You know how hard it is to get decent elite guard spare parts these days?
For the glory of Megatron.
Look at his face.
We never could get the hang of cloning. Why don't you try these on for size? Just so I can tell you bots apart.
What the fuck? He put a drill on his head. What the fuck? This nigga just came out from inside them.
Optimus,
Alright,
attack!
now
What
what?
are you waiting for?
Yeah, he's just gonna solo them? He's gonna solo them.
Aren't you gonna free us? Come back
Who the
here!
fuck do you think this nigga is, bro?
And order!
This is not Prime, nor is it the Bayverse. That nigga is not winning right here. What the fuck? I still don't understand how that works. The back of his truck.
Going down.
We will fly up and crush him.
Nice. Outsmarting them.
Maybe that energon was a little too unstable.
Never mind, he's a fucking idiot.
I am temporary Magnus now. You must follow my orders without question. And you must address me as Commander or Sir at all times.
Like a voice cracking and shit.
Jazz, get to the bridge and rewire the decontamination chamber into a freezing unit. We'll use it to trap the Decepticons.
Righteous. I dig it, Optimus. Destroy every last Autobot.
How's his shit blinking?
None shall escape.
Yo. What did I say was gonna happen, bro? This fucking brain dead ass nigga.
Decepticons.
Not to being so helpless, and not to being so puny.
Damn, that shit look clean.
You do not give the orders around here, Optimus!
Please leave that nigga in deep space. What the heck, man? Nigga's creating a damn tornado in space.
In that case, surrender, or I will blast your leader to bits.
No! Do not surrender!
Sentinel dies right here, right now. I promise
gonna be
you,
all
no
right.
one will give a fuck.
Trust me.
Your friend has failed in his attempt to freeze us. Perhaps you should not shout your plans where every audio receptor can hear. And then we can grind him
Ain't it
up
gonna
into
be the
snow
other way
cones.
around?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna shoot all throughout that bitch, but not on the inside. Yeah. That smirk.
Said one thing to Jazz while telling another in Cybertronian optical code.
Oh. That's why I was thinking.
Ah, nothing beats a shopping spree. Especially when it's all free.
And then this nigga just gets away.
You know, Optimus, there's still space for you on the elite guard.
Shut your bitch ass
The
up.
one
Huh. Wow.
So now we're picking up hitchhikers?
How convenient.
I'm going straight to your
I think his chin is
CEO.
crazy.
That's right, Isaac Sumdac.
You're in violation of Criminal Code 30114. Lethal force has been authorized.
Lethal.
I gotta decipher
These damn robots are trying to kill this nigga and you, what the fuck? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Okay, that's probably not good.
What the fuck? And of course, he's just able to breathe in their atmosphere. Who the hell is this big ass nigga?
Citizens of Cybertron, Decepticons are in our midst. Neighbors, friends, even your own model can be a spy.
Nigga
Do
ain't
your
showing
duty,
nothing on
report
that
any
damn
suspicious
screen.
activity. Don't let this happen to you.
Nah, using Ultra Magnus' body as a fucking example is insanity.
It's organic.
Why they sound so invested, bro?
Omega Supreme.
Omega Supreme?
Is he
Wasn't
above
that
them?
oversized bot decommissioned and melted down for spare parts?
Hell yeah. Yeah, he was above them.
You two are coming with me.
Yo, why'd
So
he yoke
let me
him up
guess,
like
I
that?
ain't going home anytime soon, huh?
We still can't get the weapons online.
As luck
What
would
did he
have it,
say?
we still have an agent on Cybertron in a unique position to assist us with what we need. No Autobot would be foolish enough to fire on their greatest weapon.
I say we fire on Omega Supreme. If we strike now, we could end the Decepticon
course.
threat forever.
Arm one circuit on him and you'll answer to me.
Are you threatening me? That's treason, soldier. Arrest him.
That nigga said, that nigga want to smoke with, ew. Oh my god, yo, the fucking force at what they just blasted off, that was crazy.
Perimeter.
You listen to me.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that.
Oh, fuck.
Shockwave.
The nigga took his hammer? Oh yeah, you're done. Oh yeah, you're finished.
To get real familiar.
Oh my god.
Calling home.
Come on, Ratchet. Come on, Ratchet.
To the source for those codes. the original source.
Y'all niggas is talking way too fucking much, buddy.
I'll be sure to give Omega Supreme your regards before I reboot him.
Guess he just wasn't worthy. What the hell? When could he do that?
He's an organic. You've heard about organics, haven't you?
What the fuck?
Get that thing away from me!
Type of threat is that shit, bro? Oh, nah, that's fucking disgusting, bro. I'd kill that nigga right on the spot, bro. I don't give a fuck if I don't give a fuck if I'm human, Autobot, whatever the fuck. That nigga dying right there for even playing like that. That fucking mucus came from the deepest depths of his lungs, bro.
The elite guard needs to get it through their thick plating that destroying Omega Supreme is just plain wrong.
Sure, Jazz agrees. One of the only real niggas in this show.
Thank you, Ratchet.
Oh my god. How do you just let him follow you, bro? Where's Jazz at? Come fuck this nigga up. Come on, man. Hey. Right. He grabbed his fucking head and it like got mushed into his body. How the fuck was he missing down a straight hallway? Damn! Shoulder charge of hell.
How noble. Pity you'll never get the opportunity to find out. Maybe it's time to retire.
Yo, these niggas talk so fucking... God damn! Oh my god. He got fucked up. They talk so much during the fights.
Well, if it isn't my old boss, Ultra Magnus.
Damn. Oh my god.
That was Shockwave!
And he's got RC. If he can get those activation codes out of her.
Jetfire, Jetstorm, open fire! Take down Omega Supreme!
What?
Nigga, how? What is the correlation? Yo, this nigga's so fucking stupid. Oh my lord.
That's going back to Earth, right?
Only one way to find out.
That had to be a really
Not so fast!
big...
Hand over the hammer. It belongs to the elite guard.
Put your bitch ass up.
We'll give it to him when he wakes up.
Oh ass nigga. Damn, Jazz with the quickness.
I'll go.
Oh no. Sentinel's not getting this back without a fight.
Not my gig anymore. Sentinel just ain't playing my tune. And I got a vibe tells me I should be sitting in on this scene for a while.
Hey, I fucks with this nigga Jazz. That had to be a really big ass pull for them to have Shockwave beat Ultra Magnus and not show it on screen.
Rise, Shockwave, my most loyal servant.